What is up, guys? The Miata is backwards in the garage on jack stand, almost ready for the motor to be pulled. Headers are knocked out, intake manifold I pulled off. That's about all I've done so far. I gotta go in the interior, take the shifter and crap linkage, all unhook all that, and this will be ready to be pulled out. The only lines that we have are the motor mounts, or not the motor mounts, and the two AC lines I gotta take apart. And I can pull this whole motor out and we can do a compression check, get her sealed up, clean this crappy ugly engine bay, and get this thing on the road. I made a mistake of not draining the transmission, and that's all gear fluid under there. So I've just said whatever, threw some floor dry on it, called it good for now. That'll be another video. Today, what's came in the mail, literally the only thing that's came in the mail for the Miata is the fuel vent hose, which is literally just a 5/8 inner diameter marine hose that you can use for fuel. It doesn't dry or get eaten. For the fuel vent on the gas tube for the gas tank. And I have it soaking in parts cleaner to get that gunk out of it. But we'll have this put back together, super dark in here. Need to get the light over here too. And then we can put the firewall thing back in. This little shield and other crap. Put it back in and go from there. Then the gas tank will be done. Rear diff bushings, they came in, or they shipped 2 days ago, so I should be getting them super soon. Finally, after a month. Thank you, Summit. We'll put the rear diff in, get the whole rear suspension or rear cross member. It'll be done, tight, good to go, besides brake calipers, which shipped as well. I'm hoping they come in the same day. We'll just knock both of them out at once. That'll be good. But today, my buddy Kasey's coming over, and we're going to assess the damage in the interior. We're going to get the tarp, which is ripped. We're going to figure out it on bolts, get it out of here. Probably the passenger seat. All the carpet's getting ripped out. Trim, etc., etc. We're going to rip the whole thing out, but the dash seems good. We're just trying to clean it up, really, but we want to get this shell empty while we're, waiting on parts. We might as well do something else. And I will be putting them in a safe spot, probably over here on like a tarp or something. But we're gonna see we're gonna take the cover top off, and yeah, we'll get it done. And it'll be a short video today. Still waiting on parts, but it'll be a video, which is awesome. Super excited to put the new rotors and stuff on too on the rear. They're drill and slotted. That'll be cool. But yeah, guys, I'm waiting for him to get here. Once he gets here, we'll do a time lapse and start ripping as much stuff out as possible. And yeah, I'll see y'all in a bit.
I can't believe the night lay waste to all we'd given. But honestly, you've gotta know that this ain't living. But we could run from Elysium and let it burn, let it burn. You've gotta know that nothing lasts can't believe myself. I never thought that this would be our end, but it's nothing new. And my lover's honesty, I could push it back down if I have to, if you want me to. 'Cause we can run, and we can run. These stars they fall all for you. So tell me now, what's left to lose if we run?
was really tough. All right, now we got that all done. What did you order to take out with a little help of Kasey? You want to smile for a camera? Grin, growl, one other thing. That worked. It was 3 12 millimeters, or 6 total on both sides, and then 13, right? 13 10 millimeters, all the way around to hold the tarp in. Luckily, ours is dry rotted, so we got to cheat and just rip it all up and then take the bolts and stuff out. But yeah, it was pretty darn easy. But there's a carpet here that's literally just push pinned here, 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 and here, and on the other side. And then there's 2 little stopper. It's pretty much this little rubber grommet with a screw down the middle, holding the carpet down to get to the bolts. And you just lift all that up and then get under there and clean it up. Super dusty. We wiped it all down. It's all getting replaced. The carpet itself actually ripped before the plastic pieces did. But we're all getting all new stuff. You don't have to take the trim all the way off. We found out you can just take off the bracket up here and the little what kind of bracket is this? The is that a tarp bracket, I guess, right here, and then you can kind of slip your hand in with the mini 12, take it out. But it's a lot easier if you take the whole thing out. And it's just literally what's holding it is those 12s and then this freaking aluminum pinch thing that you just roll in the tarp and then bolt it to the wall. It's pretty self-explanatory, honestly, but yeah, the tarps definitely need to replace. I mean, barely even pulling, and it's just messed with it. There was a hole when I picked it up, so this has been exposed to the outdoors, rain, heat, and all that. So we're gonna double check all the wires in here too while we're at it. Kind of work our way back, and now that we have it all cleaned up, instead of putting the old-fashioned sound deadening in it, we'll put this this nice sound deadening insulation under there before we put the new rug in. But yeah, not too bad. We'll probably cut the video here. We gotta head on out and do some more errands and stuff, but we'll start ordering all the interior. Just have Kasey come over, rip the motor out in the interior, and that's about it really. Everything else is going to be downhill. But heck yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Always like and subscribe. Anything you want to say?
Not really.
No, not really. Kasey, want to say anything? That's cool. Yeah, let's get it going.